Come on.
Please.
What? Do you want to go get dressed? Do you want to go to Nana's? Willie? Come on, let's go get dressed. We're going to go to Nana's and play with Haley. Why? What are you doing? Come on. Let's go get dressed. Come with Mommy. Hey, you. Come on. Take my hand. Do you want to watch Cars?
What Cars?
Or do you want to get dressed?
What Cars?
You want to watch Cars?
Mommy, I said.
Okay, but we have to get dressed.